Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about how plants get their energy. And plants get their energy using chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is that stuff that makes plant leaves green. And what it does is it absorbs all the incoming sunlight and it combines it with carbon dioxide and water, and it produces sugar. And the plant uses that sugar for energy. Now, our experiment, you're going to need a glass. It doesn't have to be clear. You are going to need a paper towel, a napkin, or a tissue. And you're going to need a green plant. It can be something you have in the fridge. It can even be grass from outside. The greener, the better. So I'm going to use parsley. And what you want to do with your green plant is you're going to want to chop it up and mince it up as much as possible. The more you mash it up, the better. The finer you can grind it up, the better. And once you have it all mashed up, you're going to take it and put it into your cup. The more you have and the greener it is, the better. Now, the next step, you're going to need either rubbing alcohol, nail polish remover, or you can also use a clear alcohol. I prefer rubbing alcohol because it smells a little bit less and you get about the same result. But if you don't have this laying around, nail polish remover or a clear alcohol will work better, just as good. And you're going to want to take that liquid, whether it's rubbing alcohol, nail polish remover, whatever you have, you're going to want to add it to your leaves. Then you're going to want to stir it up and mash it up as much as possible in there until that water starts to turn a little green. Okay. Then you're going to want to take your absorbent sheet, whether that's paper towel, tissue paper, napkin, whatever you have. You want to fold it a few times so it can fit in the cup. And I recommend you kind of make it into a tall tent. And that way, when you put it in the water, or not the water, sorry, when you put it in here, you can stick your pen or pencil or marker through it so it doesn't fall into the water. Because as it absorbs all the liquid, it's going to get pretty heavy and it might fall in, and you don't want that. Now for mine, I actually taped it. But you don't have to do it that way. And what you're looking for is for it to turn green. You may even get a band of yellow in there. And that is a different chemical that you see when the leaves start changing color in the fall and the plants start losing their chlorophyll. Mine was a little too absorbent. I should have made it a little bit longer, but that's okay. See all that green? All that green is chlorophyll. Now yours is going to look a little bit different depending on the plant, the type of paper towel you have, but you should see some kind of green on there. It might be a band, it might be all the way soaked in, like mine. It's going to depend. Now for me, I actually strained my water out so I could show you guys how green the water turns. All that is chlorophyll. Alright. So like I said, you can go outside, you can grab grass right off the lawn. If you don't have any rubbing alcohol, nail polish remover, or a clear alcohol, you can use water, but it may not work as well. I look forward to seeing everybody else's experiments and seeing how yours did. Let me know what type of plants you guys used. Yours may have worked better than mine, and I'd like to know. See you guys around.